Hey, good morning, guys. I'm meteorologist Kevin Jeans. This afternoon it's going to be around 84 degrees. It's still kind of humid outside today, and occasional showers through the morning, and there could be a thunderstorm this afternoon. Doesn't look like anything severe, and most of the showers very spotty, very isolated, and pretty light throughout the morning and afternoon. But this afternoon into the evening could be a thunderstorm within some of these spotty showers popping up. So this is the futurecast throughout this morning. Spotty light showers into the afternoon overall. Just an occasional light showers or a few sprinkles, but slight chance of a thunderstorm today. And then overnight tonight, Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, some more rain is likely as low pressure kind of swings through and just clips southeast Michigan. So could be a few thunderstorms overnight into Wednesday morning. Could be some rain for the morning drive Wednesday through about lunchtime, midday Wednesday, and then kind of a few lingering showers into Wednesday afternoon. So Wednesday, best chance of rain is going to be in the morning, but there may be a few lingering showers in the afternoon. And then we dry out Wednesday night and Thursday morning, but by Thursday afternoon, another little disturbance moves in, this time from the northwest. So could see a few showers, a couple of thunderstorms Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening. So we're going to get several chances of rain over the next few days still through the rest of the work week. So tonight lows around 69 degrees into Wednesday morning. And Wednesday afternoon, highs are going to be around 84 degrees. Again, better chance of rain will be Wednesday morning. And temperatures are going to be in the mid-80s through the rest of this week into the weekend. It does look like drier weather and slightly lower humidity for Saturday and Sunday this weekend. Highs will be around 83 Saturday. That's 84 degrees Sunday, and will be partly sunny. But occasional showers still really through the next 3 or 4 days, at least through Friday.